Good morning students, once again welcome back to our channel. Now today going to discuss about the problems based on the kinematic equations of motions. So here third lesson, motion in a straight line. Already previous class discussed about the only repeated questions in IP and repeated questions. Now extra problems now discuss about the same topic, motion in a straight line. These problems in focus on IP, TS and AP. Textual problems, these are here now textual problems. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే టెక్స్టువల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నుంచి ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్స్ వేరే రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ అదనంగా ఒక 4 to 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ నౌ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. దీస్ ఆర్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ఐపీ అండ్ ఐఐటి జేఈ మెయిన్స్ అండ్ నీట్. ఓకే, నౌ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ రాసిన చూడండి, ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఐపీఈ టెక్స్టువల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, హియర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ a bullet moving with a speed of 350 meter per second strikes a tree and penetrates 3.5 centimeter before stopping. Here what is the magnitude of its retardation in the tree? One question. And time taken for it. Stop after striking the tree. How? Here in this problem find the two values, the value of the retardation and the time taken to the bullet to stop after coming to the rest inside of the tree. అంటే ఇక్కడ బుల్లెట్ అనేది 150 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ వేగంతో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ట్రావెల్ చేసే బుల్లెట్ చెట్టు యొక్క కాడని స్ట్రైక్ అయింది. సో దిస్ చెట్టు యొక్క కాడలోకి 3.5 సెంటీమీటర్ పెనెట్రేట్స్ మీన్స్ ఇయర్ చొచ్చుకొని పోవడం. ఇయర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇయర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద బుల్లెట్. సో ఇయర్ ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3.5 centimeter. The velocity of the bullet here 150 meter per second. Now find the penetrate of the bullet and time taken for bullet stop after striking the here tree. Now just to diagram here, first of all this one just example, imagination for the okay, this is for example here tree ankondi, this is a okay tree. The bullet moving with velocity u is equal to 3.5 centimeter, v is equal to 150 meter per second. This is here 150 meter per second. This bullet striking the tree penetrates inside the tree. So this is here for example penetrates, come to rest at point for example point A అనే పిన్ దగ్గర అది రెస్ట్ పొజిషన్కి వచ్చింది. ద డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ this bullet here s is equal to 3.5 centimeter. The final velocity of this bullet inside the tree here v is equal to 0. Inside the tree here v is equal to 0. The retardation of the bullet here a is equal to, the retardation means deceleration, that is equal to question mark. Next one, the time taken for it stop the before stopping to the tree. అంటే ఇక్కడ after that here time values find. So final velocity of the bullet here v is equal to 0. The initial velocity of the bullet here u is equal to 150 meter per second. The penetration of the bullet in the tree here s is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, find the retardation and here time taken for the bullet to penetrate in the tree. Now here given data answer. Okay, here initial velocity u is equal to 150 meter per second. Next, the final velocity of the bullet here v is equal to 0. Penetrates, here penetrates means displacement. Penetrates, that means here displacement. Okay, displacement here s is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter, that is equal to here 3.5 into 10 power minus 2 meter. This is the centimeter converting into meters. Now penetrates, according to the third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now from here, from third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to here 2as. So these values here substituting. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ని ఇక్కడ ప్రతిక్షేపించండి. ఆఫ్టర్ we will get the acceleration of the retardation of the bullet. So here this is v is equal to 0 minus 0 square minus u is equal to here 150 square is equal to u into 2 into here a. We don't know acceleration of the retardation of the bullet, a into here displacement of the particle, that means here the penetration of the bullet in the tree, that is s is equal to 3.5 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, now in this one we will get here acceleration of the bullet, retardation of the bullet. So here a is equal to 150 square by remaining 2 into 3.5, that is equal to 3.5 into 2, that is equal to 7 into 10 power minus 2, 7 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, this is a retardation of the here bullet. Okay, so this one simplifying, after we will get here a is equal to 150 into 150. Okay, 150 into 150, 225 into 10 power minus so 10 scale 150 into 15 into 50, 225 into 10 into 10 scale. So that is equal to 225 into 10 scale by 7 into the 10 power minus 2. This is coming numerator, that is equal to here. Okay, okay, step minus 2 is equal to here a is equal to 225 to 25 into 10 power 4 by 7 here by 7. This is cancelling. 7 1 ja 1, 7 2 7 3 ja 1, 3.15, 7 2. Okay, here this values here 7 1 ja 7 3 ja 0.31, 7 3 ja 21, remaining 1 2 and 1.1. okay, 321 into 10 power 4, that is equal to here acceleration of the simplies here a is equal to 321 into 10 power 4 meter per second. Okay, any mistake in the problem? This is a is equal to 150 square. Okay, this one answer. This is a answer. Acceleration of the okay, సరిపోద్ది. పాయింట్ దీని తర్వాత ఇంకోటి పాయింట్ కూడా వస్తుంది, సరే లీవ్ ఇట్. సో రిటార్డేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద bullet. Now note this one here, note this one, just for this is a retardation of the bullet. Here retardation of bullet where A is equal to, this is simplifying another 4 వస్తుంది ఇక 3214 into 0.4 into 10 power minus 5, okay, minus 5 meter per second scale, meter per year second scale. This is a acceleration, retardation of the bullet. This is a retardation of the bullet after the time taken for the bullet to come to rest after striking. Now note this one as it is. Next one, the time is equal to velocity, acceleration is equal to here formula change in velocity by time. That means here the ratio between velocity and time, that is equal to acceleration. So here time is equal to the time taken for the bullet, t is equal to here initial velocity by here retardation, that value is u is equal to, your u value is 150 by here a value is 321.4 into 10 power 1. So this is a retardation, the time taken for the bullet to come to rest after striking. So here t is equal to, after this is a simplifying, after we will get here 4.67 into 10 power minus 4 seconds. Okay, this is a time taken for the bullet to come to rest after striking the tree. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూస్ రాసేసిన మనకి ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫైయింగ్ చేసినట్టయితే ఏ వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇంత వచ్చింది, తర్వాత 150 దీన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఫైనల్లీ 4.67 into 10 power minus 4 seconds. So therefore the time taken for the bullet comes to rest after strikes here t is equal to just enta 4.67 into 10 power minus 4 seconds. This is a answer, this one here answer. Next problem continuation, note this one. Now your question is, second question here, a motorist drives north for 30 minutes at 85 kilometers per hour and then stops, okay, for 15 minutes, second time here 15 minutes. He continues here north and traveling north and covers 130 kilometers, in time here 2 hours. This is a 3, for example this time here for example t1, this time here for example t2. Okay, first time 30 minutes, second time here 15 minutes, and third time 2 hours. Here first time moving along the north 80 kilometer per hour in time here 30 minutes. Second time here rest, stops means here rest position, okay, for 15 minutes. t2 is equal to 15 minutes. After he continues to north and traveling north and covers 130 kilometers. For example this is a displacement, displacement s2. First one displacement we don't know, this one s2. Okay, find the what is total displacement, and average velocity. Okay, these two questions. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మోటరిస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుంటే నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది. ఎంత ట్రావెల్ చేసిందంటే 30 మినిట్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. ఎంత వెలాసిటీ అంటే ఇక్కడ 80 km/h 80 km/hతో ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. ఆఫ్టర్ ఈ రెస్ట్ ఆర్ ఈ స్టాప్స్ 15 minutes after that and he moves along the same direction, means here same north direction, traveling 130 kilometers in 2 hours. So find the total displacement of the person and the average speed of the person. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటంటే టోటల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి, అదేవిధంగా యావరేజ్ వెలాసిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. how to calculate this problem. Now first of all here listen carefully. For example, this is a moving at north direction, this one, okay, north. For example, just examination, this north direction, this one here south, okay. Starting point here, this is O is a starting point. So this person drives along north direction. How many times here? T1, okay. Here T1 is equal to 30 minutes, that is equal to 1/2 hour, hour. T1 is equal to half hour. Next, displacement, this is the displacement here A to B. For example, the person to reach the point A, this displacement here just S1, this one here S1. The velocity of the person V1 here, V1 is equal to 85 km/h, 85 km/h. This is equal to here 85 km/h. Next, here next one, and then stops for 15 minutes. Next, at the same time ఇక్కడనే ఉంది అంటే వాడు ఆగింది. ఇక్కడ T2 is equal to ఎంత టైం ఆగింది ఇక్కడ 15 minutes. 15 minutes means ఇక 15 minutes, 15 minutes, that is equal to 1/4 hour, 1/4 hour. So okay, 1/4 గంట. Okay, next, after ఈ continuous north is continuous here north, same direction, ఈ continuous here north, okay, traveling north, covers 130 kilometers, covers for example here to reach the point B, this displacement A to B here 130 kilometers. This is a displacement, this is only for displacement, okay. The time here hour, this here T3 is equal to 2 hours, T3 is equal to here 2 hours. Now the total displacement of the here motorist O to here B. So yes, total displacement, this is a here total displacement, yes. So S is equal to S1 plus here this is a S2. Total displacement of the motorist S is equal to S1 plus S2. Now we don't know S1 values, మనకి ఇక్కడ చూసినట్టయితే S1 values తెలియదు. So from the equation, now first of all the displacement of the person, here velocity, answer velocity V1 is equal to here 85 km/h, and here time T1 is equal to 30 minutes, that is equal to 1/2 hours, that is equal to 1/2 hours T1, okay. Next, T2 is equal to is rest to come, so T2 is equal to 15 minutes here, 15 minutes, that is equal to 1/4 hours, Next, T3 is equal to the person motorist moving from A to B, here time taken here 2 hours, okay. This is the total time here, total time T is equal to T1 plus T2 plus here 3. This is the total time. The total time is here T is equal to, for example, T is equal to here 30 means half plus 2 plus 1/4. Here total time T is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus here 2, that is equal to, this is calculating. Now 1 by 2 nothing but here 1.5, 1 by 4 nothing but here 0.75, 0.25. So that is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5 plus 1 by 4 means 0.25. So the total time here t is equal to 2.75 hours. 75 hours. This is a total time. Okay, this is a total time. Now next one, the total displacement. The total displacement. First of all, here v1. Here v1 is equal to s1 by t1. S1 by t1. First displacement, first velocity and first time. v1 is equal to, here s1 values, here s1 values we don't know. So here s1 is equal to v1 t1. v1 t1, that is equal to, v1 means 85 into, here t1 means, here t1 is equal to just half, just into here, sorry, 1 by 2. Okay, this cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. So that is equal to, here s1 is equal to 42.5 kilometer. 42. Here s1 is equal to 42.5 kilometers. Now this data, now values here substituting. Note this one. Total time 2.75. Here s1 42.5 kilometers. Here s2 this is a 130 kilometers. So we want to find the total displacement and the average speed of the motorist. Okay, note this one. The displacement of the motorist. First one, the total displacement. The total displacement, the total displacement is s is equal to, here s1 plus s2. This is a total displacement. First answer here, s1 means 42.5 plus, here s2 values, here 130. Okay, that is equal to total 130 plus 42, 172.5, 172.5 kilometers. This is the total displacement of the motorist. The total displacement of the motorist is equal to, this s is equal to, here O2b, that is equal to, here 172.5 kilometer. Okay, now the average velocity is equal to the total displacement by total time. Note this one here. First one answer here. Second one answer, average velocity is equal to average velocity. Now second one answer here, this is a, and kada what is the displacement? Next, average velocity. No, average velocity, here v, okay, is equal to total displacement by here total time. That is equal to total displacement, yes, here total time by t. Here t is equal to, here values, t is equal to 2.70, okay, t is equal to 2.75 hours. Okay, and s is equal to, here 172.5 kilometers. These two values here substituting. Now, okay, average velocity is equal to, here s is equal to 172.5 by, here t is equal to 2.75. Now this is equal to, simplifying, after we will get here 1 to, okay, your average velocity is equal to 1. So 172.5 250 by 275. This is a simplifying. After we will get the final value of the average velocity of the bullet. Average velocity of the bullet here values here 62.7. direct రాస్తుంది ఇక్కడ average velocity. దీన్ని సింప్లిఫైయింగ్ చేసినట్టయితే after we will get the final velocity of the motorist v is equal to 62.7 kilometer per hour. This is a final answer. This one here final answer. So okay, next answer is average velocity is equal to 62.7 kilometer per hour. This is a second answer of the motorist. Okay, this is average velocity of the motorist. The total displacement of the motorist is equal to 172.5 kilometers. The average velocity of the motorist here 62.7 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Next problem continues. Yeah, see here next problem. Your problem is two balls are projected from the same point in directions 30 degrees, directions here 60 degrees with respect to the horizontal. What is the ratio of their initial velocities? Find out their initial velocities, and that means here find the ratio of the initial velocities. Here two cases here. One case here, attain the same height. That means here h1 is equal to, for example, h2. This is the same heights. Here height is constant. In this is height is a constant. Next one, I have the same range. That means here range r1 is equal to here r2. R1 is equal to, here ranges are here condition same. First condition, the maximum heights are here same. The angles are here 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Now the initial velocities u1, for example, u2. Find out the ratio of their initial velocities. First case here their same heights, second case here same range. These problems actually the fourth topic, the motion in a plane, but these problems in third topic. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసినట్టయితే మనకి ఫోర్త్ సంబంధించిన ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఈ థర్డ్ లెసన్లోనూ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. కాబట్టి ద రేంజ్ ఫార్ములా అండ్ మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ ఫార్ములా రాసి కొద్దిగా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్టయితే మనకి సింపుల్గా వి విల్ గెట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ వాల్యూస్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ here this one x axis, this is a y axis. The body here projected, the ball, two balls projected. Okay, two balls here projected. Here two balls are here projected. First condition, first ball u1 initial velocity, second ball for example u2. The first ball making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. This is a 30 degrees. Yeah, this one here 60 degrees. Okay, first condition same heights, second condition same range. Here formulas here maximum height, here maximum height, first condition. Okay, maximum height formula here h is equal to formula u scale sin scale theta by 2g. This is a height formula, maximum height formula. So the maximum height formula here theta is equal to given values here, theta is equal to 30, theta 1 is equal to 30 degrees and theta 2 is equal to 60 degrees. Here initial velocity first one u1, second ball here initial velocity u2. Now first condition, the heights are same. So height is a constant, and u2 is 2 also constant, g also constant. That means this formula here u scale sin scale theta is equal to 2hg. This is constant, this one here, this term is a constant, so the compare the u sin theta is equal to here constant u, okay, u sin theta is equal to constant. So compared to the heights, compared to the initial velocities, that means here u1 by u2 is equal to this one inversely proportional, u inversely proportional to sin theta, that means here u1 by u2 is equal to sin theta 2 by here sin theta 1. This is the formula. So this formula, now u1 by u2 is equal to sin theta 2 by here sin theta 1. Here theta 1 values here 30, theta 2 values here 60. These values here substituting, simply the ratio of their initial velocities u1 by u2 we will get. Okay, now simplifies u1 by u2 is equal to sin 2 theta, sin theta 2 is equal to 60. So sin 60 degrees by here sin 30 degrees, sin here 30 degrees. Simplifies here u1 by u2 is equal to, ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే sin 60 values here root 3 by 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, just values here substituting. Now root 3 by 2 by here 1 by 2. So simplifies u1 by u2 is equal to, there 2 get cancelled, so is equal to root 3 by 1, that is equal to root 3 is to 1. This is the ratio of the initial velocity of the two balls. The height is a constant, nothing but same heights. So answer is therefore here ratio of initial velocities u1 is to u2 is equal to 3 is to 1, or u1 is to u2 is equal to root 3 values here 1.732, okay, 1.732 is to here 1. This is the answer. This one here range heights. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, this is only first answer, only for here first case. Next case have the same range. Next case here have the same range. Note this one. Okay, this is the answer, or this one also answer. Now next case ranges are equal, so same ranges. So range formula, maximum horizontal range, r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by just g. G means here nothing but acceleration due to gravity, Your second one answer B, answer horizontal range here r is equal to formula u square sin 2 theta by g, u square sin 2 theta by g. Here r is a constant, so here r is constant, g is constant, nothing but u square sin 2 theta is equal to rg, that is equal to constant. So simplifies here u square sin 2 theta is equal to here rg is equal to constant. Okay, constant. So compared to the here initial velocity and angle, that means here u1 square by u2 square, these also inversely proportional, these also here inversely proportional. So u1 square by u2 square is equal to under sin of here theta sin 2 theta 2 by here sin of 2 theta 1. So these values theta 1 values and theta 2 values substituting u1 by u2 is equal to under root of sin 2 theta, yeah, sin 2 into 60, 2 into theta 2 is equal to here 60, okay, by sin of here just 2 into here theta 1 is equal to 30, theta 1 is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now simplifies u1 by u2 is equal to under root of sin 2 into 60 120, sin 120 is equal to cos 30, sin 120 is equal to here cos 30, direct translation Sin 120 is equal to just here sin 120 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees, cos here 30 degrees. So cos 30 by here cos sin 60 degrees. Now cos 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to any mistake, square cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, sorry, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So simplifies here u1 by u2 is equal to root 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2 under root. So simplifies this is cancel 1 by 1 under root, that is equal to 1 by 1. Okay, simplifies here ranges the ratio of the initial velocities u1 is to here u2 is equal to 1 is to 1. This is a answer, this one here answer. Okay, this is a answer, this problem. Next problem, note this one. Yeah, next problem here, see here, a typical raindrop is 4 mm, 4 mm in diameter. The diameter of the raindrop is 4 mm. Okay, this is equal to here d. It a raindrop, if a raindrop falls from a cloud, which is at 1 km, 1 km nothing but here height of the raindrop is equal to here 1 km, 1 km nothing but here 1 kilometer, that is equal to 1000 meters, that is equal to h is equal to here 1000 meters above the ground, estimates its momentum when it's the ground. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే రెయిన్ డ్రాప్ యొక్క డయామీటర్ అనేది 4 mm ఉంది. The height of the rain drop from the ground is equal to 1 km. 1 km is equal to 1000 meters. This is the height of the rain drop to cloud. Next, find out the momentum of the raindrop. To it's the ground. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకున్నట్టయితే rain drop, this is for example cloud, this one here rain drop. The rain drop of the this one for example raindrop, this is a for example surface of the earth or ground, this is a ground. The height of the ground, the height of the raindrop from the ground here h, here h is equal to here 1 km, that is equal to 1000 meters, that is equal to here 1000 meters. Okay, the diameter of the raindrop, this is a this one here diameter d is equal to 4 mm. So here r is equal to radius of the diameter, r is equal to here d by 2, that is equal to 2 mm. This is the radius of the raindrop is equal to 2 mm. Next, here find the momentum of the raindrop, to touches the strike the ground, అంటే నేలను తాకినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క మొమెంటం అడిగిండు. ఓకే, మొమెంటం క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. సో ద ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద రెయిన్ డ్రాప్ ఎట్ టాప్, ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ is equal to u is equal to 0 initially. The final velocity of the drop to touches the or strike the ground here v. Okay, we don't know velocity of the ground raindrop. Okay, now the momentum of the raindrop. First of all, here see here given data, here given data, radius of diameter of the meter of the raindrop, here d is equal to 4 mm, that is equal to here r is equal to d by 2 is equal to 2 mm, is equal to here r is equal to 2 into this is millimeter converting into meter, here meter, 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this is the radius of the diameter. Next one, initial velocity of the raindrop, initial velocity of rain drop here u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Now the final velocity of the raindrop from equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as, that is equal to v is equal to under root of 2gh, that is equal to here simplify ఒకసారి explain చేసి రఫ్ చేస్తాం. v square minus u square is equal to 2as, here s is equal to h, a is equal to g and u is equal to 0, v is equal to v. So this here values here substituting final velocity of the raindrop to strike the ground, that is equal to here v square minus 0 square is equal to 2 into g into just h. This is h means here small h, okay, small h. So v square is equal to 2gh. So v is equal to under root of this is the final velocity of the raindrop to strike the ground, v is equal to under root of 2gh. This is a final velocity, okay. Now this one just rough page. Now the final velocity of the raindrop, final velocity of the raindrop v is equal to here v is equal to under root of 2gh. So this value is here g is equal to 9.8, here g is equal to 9.8 meter per second scale, okay. h is equal to 1000 meters, g is equal to 9.8 and 2, this is the values here v is equal to 2 into 9.8 into here 1000, okay, 1000. This is multiplication. So 9.8 1000 meters, okay. The final velocity v is equal to 2 into 9.8 into 1000. Here simplies v is equal to 2 into 9.8 is 19.6, okay, 19.6 into 10 power 3 under root. So here 196 into 10 square, 196 into 10 square, that is equal to under root here 14 196. So 14 square into 10 square, that is equal to 140, that is equal to here 140 meter per second. This is the final velocity of the raindrop, only for final velocity of the raindrop. Now the momentum of the raindrop, the momentum is equal to the product of mass and velocity. So this is mass, we don't know mass of the raindrop, but the density of the raindrop d is equal to 1000 meter kg per meter cube. Here density of the here know this one simply కొద్దిగా లెంతీ ఉంటుందమ్మా. Here density, mass density is equal to density of here density is equal to mass by volume, okay, that is equal to here d is equal to m by v. This is a raindrop is a spherical, so the volume of the sphere, this is a sphere, so the volume of the raindrop is equal to 4 by 3 phi r cube, So now the mass of the here mass is equal to m is equal to just to dv, d means density and v means here volume of the raindrop. The density of the here density of water, rain is a water drop, okay, raindrop nothing but here water drop, that is equal to here d is equal to 1000 cube 10 cube kg per here meter cube. This is a density of the water, and the velocity of the velocity is equal to this value here 140 meter per second. Next the volume v is equal to, this is a volume, that is equal to 1000 nothing but here 10 cube. Now v is equal to 4 by 3 phi. Here r values here, r values is given 2 into 10 power minus 3, 2 into 10 power minus 3. So 2 into 10 power minus 3 cube. This is a cube. So this one simplifying, this one here simplifying, v is equal to the m is equal to, now note this one, this continuation చేయండి, దీన్ని కంటిన్యూషన్ ఎక్కడ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో mass of the raindrop, mass of the here, mass of the rain drop. Okay, here m is equal to dv. So here m is equal to d values here 10 cube and 4 v values 4 by 3 into 10 power minus 3 cube into just 5 into here 5 values 3.142. This is a okay 5 r cube, the volume of the raindrop. Now this one simplifying, after we will get here this one here simplifying. Okay, this is a simplifying here v values దీని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఏం వస్తుందంటే మనకి 4 by 3 into 5 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 3 cube, that is equal to here 33.493 into 10 power minus 9 meter cube, minus 9 meter. This is the volume of the raindrop. Volume of the raindrop v is equal to 33.493 into 10 power minus 9 meter cube. This is the volume of the raindrop. Now the mass of the raindrop, this one here, mass of the raindrop. Now finally the mass of the this one here simplifying, after we will get here 33.493 into this one minus 9 here, this is a plus 9. This is equal to this one here, this is equal to here this values. Okay, so this is a density of the raindrop. So 10 power plus 3, 10 power minus 9, so remaining 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus, this is a kg, this is a here kg m values. This is a mass of the raindrop. Now here velocity of the raindrop 140 meter per second, mass of the raindrop 33.493 into 10 power minus 6 kg, and the density here also 10 cube kg per meter. Now the momentum of the raindrop, momentum of raindrop P is equal to here mv, P is equal to mv, that is equal to, simplifies here P is equal to under root of 2gh, that is equal to here P is equal to mass of the raindrop, this one values here 33.493 into 10 power minus 6 into under 2gh, the velocity of the raindrop 1 into here 140. Okay, this is a simplifying. After finally we will get value of the raindrop. The momentum of the raindrop touches the strike the ground, v is P is equal to, finally here this is a simplification. After we will get 14.689 kg meter per second. This is the answer, this one here answer. The momentum of the raindrop strike the ground, or hits the ground. So this one here values. So simply this equation కావాలంటే మనకి note this one, final equation, this is one. Okay, note this one. మీరు ఇంకా సింప్లిఫై చేయాలంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా రాసుకోండి, వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ సరిపోద్ది. Here velocity is equal to velocity v is equal to under 2gh. Okay, 2gh. Next momentum mass is equal to m is equal to dv. This is the volume of the raindrop. Okay, the momentum is equal to momentum P is equal to mv. So m value is this one, density into volume, density into volume under your velocity. This is a velocity, so velocity formula under root 2gh. Now density means 10 cube into volume 4/3 5 r cube under root of 2gh. So this values h values, g values and r values just substitute చేసినట్టు మనకు మొమెంటం అనేది వస్తుంది. r values ఎంత మనకి 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. G values 9.8. G values once again. This one, the direct formula. This is a final formula. Momentum P is equal to 10 cube into 4/3 into 5. R means 2 into 10 power minus 3 cube into G values 2gh values ఎంత వచ్చింది మనం 140 just into సరిపోద్ది 140. So finally this values is here. This one is some simplifying after we will get here 14.689 kg meter per second. This is a momentum. This is one here momentum. Okay, this problem, additional problems in test-able problems and exercise problems. So first of all, see the first topic, motion state and first యూనిట్ చూడండి, ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ చూడండి. అవి అందులో నుంచి మాత్రమే మనకి షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ వచ్చే అవకాశం 90% ఎక్కువ వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఇన్ కేసు అన్లకేంచి ఒకవేళ మిస్ అయినట్టయితే మనకి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినట్టు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నుంచి ఇచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి దీన్ని చూడండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.